What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking to you guys about how to glow up. So if you want to have a glow up, keep on watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. When people talk about glow up, they mostly talk about a physical glow up and they forget like the mental part. But guys, you should know like the mental part is very important. You should take care of your mental health. You should be mentally stable, like calm. A glow up is not only a physical transformation, yet a mental one too. The first thing you have to do is to start loving yourself and appreciating like what you have. Guys, when you love yourself, life is much more enjoyable and you build like more confidence and you spread like positivity around you. When you do that, you like happier and your mind is better. You should focus on yourself, like do things that make you happier, things you like, like singing, dancing, reading, or even painting. And you should meditate to make your mind calm. Also, guys, set your goals. Have like a book where you write your goals and all your dreams, like you have to spend time outdoors. Don't always be stuck at one place doing the same thing every day like you're in prison. You have to go out, spend time with your family, spend time with your friends, do different things. And when you do all these things, you keep yourself busy, like in a good way, and you won't have to overthink or even stress because stress is like our biggest enemy. You should avoid toxic substances. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to go deep into that. So just know that you have to avoid toxic substances for your mind. So I'm going to the physical part now, and I'm gonna tell you guys to be clean and smell nice. Because sometimes we spend like the whole day outside around random people, and just imagine smelling bad and walking around all those people. How uncomfortable is that? So, guys, you have to take showers and smell better. Like you have to look good, like dress better, fix your nails, wear earrings, like take care of your hair, wear a little bit of makeup. The next thing is to be healthy. Guys, if you eat a lot of meat, you need to change your diet because what we take in is literally what we are. So guys, you should change your diet if you eat a lot of meat and start eating like vegetables and fruits. If you don't eat fruits every day, go start buying your fruits now because you have to eat fruits every single day. Like it doesn't kill you, just eat fruits. You should start drinking a lot of water. Like water is so good for us. It keeps us hydrated, it makes our skin better. And guys, if you drink sodas, you should stop drinking sodas. And like guys, you should have enough sleep. Like get at least 8 hours of sleep. Don't kill your body and get like 4 hours of sleep. You should start taking care of your skin. Guys, we all want to have the perfect skin, have a glowing skin and all that. So guys, start wearing sunscreen every day and also know which type of skin you have and have like a skincare routine. Buy the products that are suitable for your skin and also drink water because water helps our skins. We all know that. Like take vitamin C's, they help us with a brighter skin. And also start rubbing like ice on your face at least 3 times a week. It helps us a lot. And also guys, do not apply anything on your skin. Don't just buy like, I don't know, you find something and you buy it. Okay, let me try it on my skin. Like do not do that, guys. Just use brands that brands that are like with the reviews and all that. You have to exercise, guys. Exercise at least 3 to 4 times a day. Sorry, 3 to 4 times a week. Go to the gym, and if you don't like going to the gym, you can start running in the morning, like for 20-30 minutes. And also, guys, this is my last point. I want to tell you guys to avoid like toxic people, people with bad energy, people with negative thoughts, people that will always bring you down, like mock you, things like that. You should stay away from those people. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time for another video. And thank you guys so much for the 79 subscribers that I got. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Love you.